Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the No Internet Found error in League of Legends, and we're going to get it working step by step in just a couple of minutes. First, click the search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your network adapter, double-click it, and hit Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP v4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then under it, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and set them to 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Next, go back to the search bar and type CMD. Right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, and hit Yes. Now type this command, ipconfig/flushdns. Hit Enter. Then type the next command, netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer, and the League of Legends internet issue should be completely fixed. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.